Hello and welcome to EDU Supply's Product of the Term. Today we're going to go through the EDU microscopes. We're going to talk about the benefits and we hope that we can impart some knowledge that will help you in your job. This is our EDU 305. This is our junior microscope. It's set for the junior schools, maybe up to year 10. Some of the features we have on this is that the variable light source here, that's on top, so saves it from being damaged on the side. We have the spring-loaded clips, which you can put your microscope slide underneath there. And we have the kettle cord. So if the cord gets damaged, we can pop that out and just change the cord. So if it comes along and gets tested and tagged and the cord's got a problem, you don't lose your whole microscope. We also have the cord holder where you can wrap your cord around here and store it away. Makes it for easy storage of the cord. As we all know in the labs, that's one of the hardest things to do is to store that cord. We also have the rotating head where the child can use it either way, and we like to keep it that way so we keep it more compact so the microscope doesn't get knocked around. If we have it out this way, sometimes it gets knocked off your trolleys. We also have LED light. An LED light is a lot brighter and also lasts a lot longer. The 405 is similar to the 305, looks the same. Just one of the big features changed here is we have the movable stage on the 405. This lets the student move and find the subject a lot easier than using their fingers. It has a focusable condenser, allowing you to drop the condenser down to change the light path, getting a much sharper image into the 40 times, and also allows you to put 100 times on this microscope if you need to have 100 times for the students. It also has an iris diaphragm, narrowing the light path, giving you a much better image. 305 and 405s come with 3 objectives, standard. With the 405, we can swap the 40 times out and give you 100 times just like this, and it will work. If that's what your teachers require for your curriculum in your state, that can be done at a cheaper option for you. Both microscopes come with a cover, a plastic cover. We've designed this heavy-duty cloth cover, which you could purchase from us. The design is a little bit different than most cloth covers. Inside here is a little pouch which you can slip a little bit of silica gel in there. The concept of that is that silica gel will keep the moisture away from the head of the microscope. In the high humidity states, you can get mold growing in the head. So this is where that works, and the silica gel then doesn't fall apart all through the microscope. We would encourage that you get a demonstration before purchasing. How to do that is you go online to our website and you do an instant quote. We will send you an email, arrange with you to get one shipped to you, shipped down and picked back up again, brought back to us at our cost. The benefit of getting a demonstration is that the teachers can inspect the microscope and feel comfortable with the microscope before you purchase.